everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a classic that's still making waves, the Kodak Sport underwater single-use disposable camera. This isn't just any camera, it's specifically designed for those moments where your expensive phone fears to tread. Think underwater adventures, sandy beaches, and poolside splashes. Right off the bat, its rugged, durable, shock-proof rubber shell screams adventure. One can immediately tell it's built to take a beating, perfect for clumsy hands or unexpected drops. The fact that it's waterproof up to an impressive 50 feet means snorkeling, shallow dives, or just playing in the waves are all fair game for capturing memories. This camera truly frees you from the constant worry of damaging expensive electronics, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the moment. A thoughtful touch is the sunscreen and scratch-resistant lens, which helps ensure your precious shots aren't ruined by a stray grain of sand or a smear of lotion. This attention to durability extends to the lens, a critical component for clear pictures. Inside, it packs 800 speed 27 exposure 35 film. That 800 speed is crucial for getting decent shots in varying daylight conditions, especially underwater where light can be tricky. And with 27 exposures, one gets a good number of chances to snap those perfect, candid moments without the pressure of a limited shot count. It's important to remember this is an outdoor and daylight-only camera. One shouldn't expect miracles in dimly lit indoor settings or at night. It truly thrives in bright, natural light, which is exactly where you'd want to use an underwater camera anyway. Kodak claims clearest, sharpest pictures, and for a disposable, it truly delivers surprisingly vibrant and authentic results. There's a certain charm and nostalgia to film photos that digital just can't replicate, and this camera captures that perfectly, offering a unique aesthetic. Weighing just over 6 ounces, and with compact dimensions of 4.7 by 2.1 by 5.2 inches, it's incredibly easy to toss into a beach bag or backpack without a second thought. The fact that it comes in a convenient 3-pack is fantastic value, ensuring you have enough cameras for multiple outings or to share with friends and family. This camera isn't about pixel-perfect clarity. It's about the experience, the spontaneity, and the tangible memories it creates. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add a touch of retro fun and robust durability to their next water-based adventure.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.